Okay, we're using our infrared machine today for this small little, well, it is what it is. It's small, but I'm going to take it. We're going to take care of that spot over there. And a little spot here from the dumpster. And that's what we got going on today. Two little IR patches. And then we're gonna seal the rest of this small little driveway. Over our first patch, in case anyone wants to know how to light it, because I wasn't sure either. Basically, turn on your propane torch and you set this regulator at a lower number. Right now it's at 35, but we lit it at around 12, 13 or whatever. Once we got the light, then we turned it up to 35. This is the noise it makes, and this is the heat it's going. We started at 1 o'clock, and it should take about 9-10 minutes at this temperature and this. Well, it's a sealed driveway, so I don't know if that's going to help it or slow it down. I think it should help it. It's already starting to smoke. It's already starting to smell. I hear things going on and off. So anyway. It's broken. Oh man, the sealer stinks. But I see it. It's hard to tell from the shadow, but it is getting darker. I do see it. Hopefully another 7-8 more minutes of this, and then we can start raking it. To take it off, let's go this side. Take it off from the bottle. So we're gonna take that off and put through it. Get all the gas that's in there out of the way. And slowly roll it back, and we'll see our patch. We're gonna rake it, put rejuvenator, asphalt, and then here's our patch. Now we are gonna rake it. What's next? Move that out of the way up. Try not to make the video longer than a minute. Breaking our asphalt. Not the best loop man, but it is what it is. Luke, you should be the loop man. You want to loop this? Alright, now we throw some rejuvenator. Where's it at? This rejuvenator is basically supposed to add binder and whatever. I don't even know what it does, but it does something. In a second. This only took a couple minutes. Raised it up about half an inch more than what it was. Okay. Now we're gonna compact it. Okay, that is our. Watch out, Luke. Get out of the shadow. That's our patch. I need a better compactor. This Harbor Freight one is glass legs. I need a fancy whacker. But that is it. It's pretty good. Stupid compactor took all the life out of me. It's pretty good. It's flat. It's flush. It's pretty easy. Took us longer because I'm trying to be a perfectionist, but once I get the hang of it, each little patch should only take about 15 minutes. Because it takes 10 minutes to heat up basically, and it only takes a few minutes to do where it's so small like this, but that's it. I think it came out pretty good.